Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieve this look of these soft locks. This look is beginner friendly, easy to do, and a very nice protective style. So if you would like to achieve this look in this video, just go ahead and stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay you guys, so I'm just showing you that I did start off on freshly washed hair, washed, conditioned, blow dried my hair to make it more convenient to work with. So right here I'm going to show you a few things that I used. I did need a comb for parting, a brush to detangle, some shine jam to make things look a little neater, and some 24-hour edge tamer for my edges. Okay, so I did end up purchasing 4 packs of the Bobbi Boss new Locs in a 1B 24-inch. I did not use all 4. Then I grabbed 1 pack of the Bobbi Boss's Passion Twist hair for wrapping. So I ended up sectioning off my hair into 4 different sections, which made parting my head very easy. Now I'm showing you how I braided it into medium-sized braids all over my head. So I did end up adding the locks in the next day. Here is the majority of my head already done, but I left these 4 out to show you guys the process. So you're going to start with your crochet needle. You're going to slide it at the base of the braid. Then you're going to open the hook. Then you're going to open the loop. Take the loop of the lock and place it on the hook. And then you're going to close the latch on the hook. Then you're going to slide the lock through your hair at the base of your braid, unlatch the hook. Now you're going to place your braid through the loop and pull your braid and the lock to secure it in. So right here, you're just gonna unravel the lock in the opposite direction, which it naturally twists, and you're gonna wrap it around your braid in the direction that the lock naturally twists in, and it's going to naturally wrap around your hair. So you're just gonna unravel and wrap, unravel and wrap, until you get all the way down to the end of your hair. You're going to wrap all the way down to the ends, and then when you get to the end of your hair, you're going to try to tuck it in or hide your ends as neat as possible. Then I just end off my lock with a palm roll, which will help the lock wrap around as natural as possible. And there is one lock. It's giving me a natural messy look, which I was looking for. Now I'm gonna show y'all again. You're gonna stick this crochet needle at the base of the braid. Then you're going to open up the loop at the top of your lock, like that. Then you're gonna place that loop onto the hook of that needle. Okay, then you're going to close that latch and pull it through. Pull it through the base of your braid. Now you're going to open that loop right there, and then you're going to place your braid in the loop. Now you're going to secure it by pulling your braid in your lock in 2 different directions. Now it's secure. Then you're going to proceed to unravel the lock and wrap around your braid. Once again, you're unraveling and wrapping. Unraveling and wrapping. You're just going to continue to unravel and wrap all the way down your braid until you don't see your hair anymore. So now I just proceeded to do the exact same thing that I did for the first 2 on my last 2 to give me my finished look. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below. Okay, now I am done putting all of the new locks in, and now I'm gonna go in with the passion twist hair, and I'm just gonna use this to clean up some spots where maybe my braid is sticking out, or I just want to make a lock look a little more messier. So you're just gonna unravel that hair, fluff it out, and you're gonna fluff it out, and then you're gonna place it against your lock. You're gonna have a short end and a long end. I do suggest that you crochet this. I did not crochet it, but I do suggest that you crochet it to keep it in place. And then you're going to wrap it at the base at least 5 times before you start wrapping down the lock. And then you're going to wrap down the lock how you would like. You can wrap tightly for a little neater look, or you can just wrap loosely, which will keep it with the messy look. And then you don't want to wrap it all the way until you run out. You want to wrap and leave a little piece hanging, because you're going to take that piece and you're going to wrap it back up the lock, and that's going to secure that piece of hair from unraveling. Now we are done with all of our locks. I did wrap a few more, but I did not wrap all of them because I didn't feel as if every lock needed to be wrapped. Wrapping is optional. Sometimes you could wrap that new lock so well that you don't have to go in with the passion twist hair, but that's up to you. So now we are finished with the style. You can style it as you like. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, leave a comment, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Check out my channel, look at some of my other videos. And with that being said, that is a wrap.